Newly installed president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, LaSonia Harrison, is calling for a national debate examining the education system. Speaking on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines this afternoon, Mrs. Harrison said far greater funding is needed as stakeholders gear up for the new school year beginning next Monday.
There are some resourcing that is needed as we embark on a new school year. There is absolutely no increase to the grant to our canteens or to our past subsidy, yet food prices have gone up by how much percent, Dion? And there is no proposed increase by the government of Jamaica, yet administrators will have to make it work.
In addition to the need for better wages, the JTA is calling for better working and learning environments.
The learning condition of the children, of the student, is the working condition of the teacher. And so even as we continue, and we will always advocate for a livable wage, it is very important for our employers, for the government, for the people of this nation to come to a mind as to what it is we currently provide for teachers to undertake the task of teaching. Is it adequate?